Hey, Dad, why are we in the alleyway?
Well, your grandma, she got partially eaten by that monster. We don't really have enough to pay for the bill after our last visit to the hospital, so, we gotta sell some drugs.
Really?
Yep.
Don't worry, guys. We have a lot of drugs in my backpack, so we good, bro.
Why do you have so much? Oh, wait. Yeah.
Yeah, don't ask that. Don't kiss me, you freaking gay. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Oh, so we're about to catch a drug trade on camera, guys. And this time I'm actually gonna show my face in this video.
Who the hell are you guys? Are you gonna sell us drugs?
Yeah, we got tons of drugs. We got quite a few.
Yeah, we got crack, cocaine, weed, especially weed, though.
Ah!
Shut up, my freaking God. Okay, guys, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Definitely the weed and crack. Okay, we would like some weed and crack.
Okay, just let me get this out of your backpack here.
Weed and crack, bro. Oh, well, yeah, that's, why is your dog humping your son?
Get off!
Get off of him! Oh my
Bad
God.
dog.
Jesus. Well, I appreciate you guys, and I would like you to get out of my sight because I don't want your retarded son or dog, so.
A drug trade on camera, bro.
Come on, let's go, guys.
Man, do you think we should
Dude,
report
this is some
to the
good
police?
crack, bro. Yeah.
What do we do about it?
Dude, is that a camera over there?
Are
you recording us?
No. No.
You're recording us, huh?
No. I swear to God.
Then what is that? That clearly is a 12-inch camera right there.
Toaster.
It's a toaster. Yeah, guys, who believes him? I believe him.
Yeah, see, I'm
Sorry, he has a mental disability. He's mentally challenged. Sorry about that.
yeah, it's all cool. I'll just head on out of here.
You guys gonna give us some drugs?
I don't have any.
You know what? Give me the gun with makes noise.
Oh God. Okay, I think it's time we get out of here.
Yeah. See you later, bro.